Hey friends, this is a video about Pleasure Bootcamp. We're going to go by the elements, and the first week is going to be air, breath, thought, the brain, and space, and clearing out and feeling spacious, integrating our breath into everything that we do. If you've watched any of my pottery videos, I'm always teaching people about breathing as they do things. Air is the best drug I have ever found. You can get high on air like that, and it's amazing. I do it every day. The second week is earth, deeper in the body, embodiment. We're going to be working with nature, food and eating and digestion and presence. The third week is water, movement, fluidity, mental fluidity, emotional fluidity, letting things flow, getting with the flow of life. The fourth week is fire and spirit and creativity and spontaneity and play and passion. They'll all be linked to the body. Another piece of the boot camp is that we will be working from the ground up with self-love, honoring, anointing, looking at adoringly, singing to, talking to, breathing with, connecting to all the different parts of the body every day. We're going to be starting the whole program with a free workshop on the inner critic. It's called Externalizing the Inner Critic. You have to register through Zoom, free for everyone. If I could give the world one gift, it would be to externalize the inner critic. I'm going to be giving that away on January 25th. I hope that everybody who's in the boot camp can make it, and everybody who's considering the boot camp can make it. And even people who know they aren't going to be in the boot camp, I want you to make it too. The first cohort is pretty deeply discounted, and I'm doing that to get feedback and to also feel more comfortable in myself teaching it, because that gives me pleasure. I hope that you're going to join me for some or all of it, and if not, I hope that you've enjoyed this video. Mwah.